Yo, what's good MVP Auto Drive family? Hold up, stop scrolling, because Toyota just woke up the car game in 2026 like it was taking a long nap. The 2026 Toyota Cressida is back, clean, upgraded, and cooked to perfection. This ain't just a sedan, this is a comeback story the street's been begging for. Front view looking sharp with those slim LED headlights, mean daytime running lights, and a front grille that got more attitude than your gym playlist at 2 a.m. The hood sits long and clean, giving that premium luxury vibe without trying too hard. This thing looks like a grown-up that still knows how to have fun. Side profile, super clean. Long body, stretched silhouette, 19 to 21-inch alloys depending on the trim, chrome touches mixed with black detailing, low stance, smooth lines. This car is sliding into the scene like, yeah, I run this. And the back, full LED light bar, low bumper, clean exhaust finish, slight spoiler energy, not screaming for attention, just naturally pulling it. Step inside and you gone. Be like, oh nah, Toyota did not play. Premium leather seats, heated and ventilated in the front, plus massage function on higher trims. Yes, a massage seat in traffic, because why not live your best life? Leather steering, paddle shifters ready to pretend you're a race driver, 12.3-inch digital driver display clean and crisp, 14-inch infotainment tablet floating like the future came early. Wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, wireless charger, JBL or Mark Levinson sound system depending on trim, 360 camera, heads-up display on the windshield, ambient lights dancing through the cabin, and a panoramic sunroof that screams, main character energy only. Road noise, almost zero. Thanks to acoustic glass, this ride is quiet enough to hear your thoughts and maybe regret them. Now the engine lineup, and listen close. One version comes with a 2.4L turbo 4-cylinder making around 265 to 300 horsepower, solid for daily fun. The spicy option is a 3.5L V6 twin-turbo hybrid pushing 350 to 400 horsepower. This is that build that makes you smile before you even hit the gas. RWD standard for the real ones, AWD optional for the weather warriors. 8-speed automatic shifting smoother than your excuses when you skip gym day. Fuel economy expected around 22 to 28 mpg, which for this size and power, is pretty fire. Safety and tech loaded like a full Netflix subscription. Adaptive cruise control steering for you on highways, lane keep assist holding you straight, blind spot monitoring watching your sides, rear cross traffic alert covering your back, emergency braking, pedestrian detection, parking sensors, and an AI voice assistant smarter than your group chat. Basically this car protects you better than your old friends used to. Now the price, because I know you waiting for that. The 2026 Toyota Cressida is expected to start around $38,000 USD for the base model. Mid-trims packed nicer go from $44,000 to $48,000 USD. And the top boss trims with hybrid power and full luxury hit around $52,000 to $58,000 USD. For what you're getting, that price is a whole mood. Reliable, luxurious, powerful, tech-loaded, Toyota understood the assignment and turned it in early. This isn't a loud flex car. This is a calm pull-up car. I can smoke you but I won't, car. A grown-up JDM comeback for the ones that like comfort but don't mind some power. It's giving quiet boss, clean energy, smooth lifestyle, long highway cruises, late-night music rides, driver's car but still family approved. So let me ask you this MVP family, is Toyota cooking or nah? Would you cop the 2026 Cressida or tell Toyota to spice it up more? Drop your thoughts in the comments, you already know I read every single one. And listen, before you dip out, smash that subscribe button like it owes you money. Turn on notifications so you don't miss the heat. Join the fam because MVP Auto Drive is where the car culture lives, breathes, and stays undefeated. Alright gang, that's today's drop. Stay safe, stay smooth, drive smart, and flex respectfully. I'm out. Peace.